Hello students, Meenakshi Sinha is here from Keeping in Touch with Maths and Meenakshi Sinha with this lovely question. Question है, if log of 3 with the base a is equal to 2 and log of 8 with the base b is equal to 3, then we have to prove that log of b to the base a is equal to log of 4 to the base 3. ये प्रूव करना है. क्वेश्चन में कर रही हूँ, आप लोग ध्यान से देखें, लेकिन क्वेश्चन समझने से पहले प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब मी एंड लाइक मी. ओके, अब स्टार्ट करते हैं. वी आर गिवन क्या दिया है, लॉग ऑफ सॉल्यूशन log of 3 to the base a is equal to 2. ठीक है, इसको हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, वी कैन राइट इट एज, or we can say that a to the power 2 is equal to 3. Clear? It means that a is equal to root of 3. That is notable. इसको नोट कर दीजिए. Okay. Now second, we are given what? Log of 8 to the base b is equal to 3. Now it can be written as that b to the power 3 is equal to 8. Okay? तरीका मैंने आपको बता रखा है याद करने का, कंफ्यूज होने की बिल्कुल कोई जरूरत नहीं होती है. 1000 वाला एग्जाम्पल रखिए, 1000 को लिख सकते हैं 10 की पावर 3, और इस केस में लिखा जाता है log of 1000 टू दी बेस 10 इज इक्वल टू 3. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि 1000 को 10 के बेस पे 3 मल्टीपल में बदला जा सकता है. लॉग के रूप में इसी बात को कहते हैं. इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लॉग वी से दैट 1000 can be divided into three portions in the multiple of 10. 1000 can be divided into 3 parts in the multiple of 3. Same is the case over here. 1000 is equal to 10 into 10 into 10, यानी 10 की पावर 3. तो this and this is the same thing. तो इस बेस पे log of 10 to the base 10 बेस के ऊपर पावर आती है, ये ध्यान रखिए. इसलिए इसी तरीके से तो बेस है, ये बेस, ये देखिए इसका बी बेस है, बेस के ऊपर पावर आएगी, 8 हो जाएगा. बेस के ऊपर पावर आएगी, ये 3 हो जाएगा. ओके, ये थ्योरी याद रखिए. ये याद रखेंगे तो कभी नहीं भूलेंगे. अब हमें क्या प्रूव करना है. नाउ वी हैव टू प्रूव log of b to the plus a. Ab now with the help of this, now we have to write, now we are writing to now to prove log of b the base a is equal to ये आए. अब हम इसको लेके चलते हैं. log of b to the base a, suppose this is x, suppose this is x, we suppose हमने ये माना. इट मीन्स इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं, a to the power x is equal to a. You can write it. So now a is equal to what? A is equal to root of 3 to the power x is equal to b. b is equal to b to the power 3 is equal to 8. It means b is equal to हो गया 2, because this is 2 to the power 3. It means b is equal to 2 हो गया. तो b is equal to 2. It means this is equal to 2. ठीक है ना. अब जब 2 हो गया, we have to find the value of x, because we have supposing this value is equal to x, तो x should be equal to this आना चाहिए. अब ये रूट है, इस रूट को हटाने के लिए हम स्क्वायर करेंगे दोनों तरफ, या इसको हम कह सकते हैं √3 स्क्वायर टू द पावर x इज इक्वल टू 2 स्क्वायर. ठीक है, इट मीन्स 3 to the power x is equal to 4. ओके, अब लॉग लीजिए जी. log of 4 लेते हैं. अब log of 4 जब लेंगे तो we can write it 4 is equal to 3 to the power x. Now log of 4 क्या होगा? Log of 4 to the base 3 will be equal to x. This will be the value of the x. Hence proved that this is equal to this. Okay, this is proved. Clear? फिर से समझिए आप. एक बार मैं रिवाइज जरूर कराती हूँ. Log of 3 to the base a is given to us equal to 2, but the log of a to the base b is given to us equal to 3. We have to prove that log of b to the base a will be equal to log of 4 to the base 3. First of all, with the help of this, we have to find the value of a and then the value of b in order to put the values of a and b in this situation. In order to find the value of a, b, हमने क्या लिया है? The log of a, log of 3 to the base a is equal to 2, which can be written as a to the power 2 is equal to 3. It means a square is equal to 3. It means a is equal to root 3. First condition, a की value पता चल गई. We can put the value of a in this equation in left hand side in order to get this value. फिर से, now log of 8 to the base b is given to us. Log of 8 to the base b is equal to 3. It means b to the power 3 is equal to 8. This 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3. Both the power are same. It means base should also be the same. It means the value of b is equal to 2. Clear? In order to, if you somehow forget, then you have to always take this example in your memory so that you can compare and put the value in exact perfect manner. Now we are taking the left hand side of this equation, which is to be proved by us. This is log of a upon b. Log of a to the base log of b to the base a is equal to, we are supposing, is equal to x. Then by using this formula, we can write it a to the power x equal to b, where the value of a already a determined is equal to root of 3. It means root of 3 to the power x is equal to 2. Now this is 2. We have to find the value of x. This is root. In order to remove this root, we have squared on both the sides. It means root of 3 square whole to the power x or 2 to the power 2. That is 4. That is 3 to the power x. It means 3 to the power is equal to 4. Now we have to take the log 4. It can be written as log 4. Log 4. This can be written as in this way. 4 is equal to 3 to the power x. It means log of 4 is equal to, on the base 3 is equal to x. The value of x is, we have supposing this value. It means this is equal to this. This is also x and this is also x. It means left hand side equal to right hand side. We have proved this. Okay? Clear? Okay, see you. Bye. सब्सक्राइब करना, लाइक करना ना भूलिए मेरे चैनल को. गुड यू.